We have seen crisis, despair, and now gratitude.
Oh, thank you so much.
No visitors. It was understandable as COVID raged through the community. But for those whose fight would end here, for their families, it will forever mark one of the greatest tragedies of the pandemic.
Those stories will remain with us for the rest of our lives.
We're so grateful here.
Their stories. People such as 90-year-old Betty Benoit of Grafton, described as fiercely independent, a woman ahead of her time, but more affectionately known in her well-earned role as Nana.
It became clear to our family that she probably would not come out of the hospital, which was, obviously really difficult.
That was mid-April of 2020, when Courtney Casey, herself a nurse at UMass Memorial, got the call that her Nana was declining quickly with COVID-19, and the family would not be able to be by her side.
The rational side of me understood the reason. The nurse side of me understood the reason, but the granddaughter with the dying grandmother, it really stung.
A feeling that was spilling over among staff in the COVID units.
It's heartbreaking when there's a patient who just wants to see their family. That's hard.
Amy Burdett was part of a healthcare team that would make a critical decision, one of many that bent the rules in favor of humanity.
Everything that we did during those days, we just had to wing it. We all felt like if we can just get these patients to a window bed, we'll tell the family to come up regardless of what anybody says.
With just 4 such rooms available, with an hour-long turnover, it was a time-consuming process to give families a moment.
On Sunday night, my mom received a phone call that the nurses were going to be moving her to a window so that we could come and see her through the window, which was amazing. I think that she knew that we were there.
Courtney had shared something with us so profound that she said that she felt like you had loved her Nana up to heaven.
We felt like the patients and the caregivers were like a family.
It was an immeasurable gratitude. Where my hands couldn't do it, their hands did it for us.
Thank you so much.
Many more patients would never have to experience a window goodbye. They are among the survivors. When Rene Hernandez left the hospital, he was one of those miracles we often hear about. After 74 days of treatment, the kiss of renewed life he was sure he would not see.
Totally. It was like God had given me a new chance on life.
When you sit with Hernandez, you know he is a proud man of his family, the life he has built here in Worcester, and his job at a local factory. As he was watching the health crisis unfold, he said he didn't have a choice but to continue working.
Entonces yo le dije a mi familia. The decision was that I was going to be responsible to go outside for everyone in the family, that I was going to do the shopping and do all the errands, and they would stay indoors.
In early April, a headache foreshadowed what would spiral quickly into end-of-life decisions.
Well, to be candid about it, between the 7th, the 8th, and the 9th of April, the doctors were telling me, look, we are going to have to intubate you. And you run the risk of that you may not wake up.
For 6 long weeks, his family left wondering, waiting.
Muy difícil porque it was very difficult. During that time, my wife received a phone call that everything that was done medically was already done, and that I may not survive.
But Hernandez did wake up. He opened his eyes to the team that cared for him.
Más como yo puedo explicar, como un bebé, ellos me trataron lo mejor. The treatment that I received, the care that I received was very much compared like if you were just born, like a brand new baby.
The Hernandez family overjoyed to have him home.
Great people. They helped my dad come back. And look at him. All that.
And back to the story of Courtney's grandmother, one of the nurses who cared for Nana. Her name is also Nana. She was one of Courtney's former colleagues and was with Nana Betty in her final moments. The family says that has given them immeasurable peace. Coming up, Wave 3, caring for the caregivers.